Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to change blade on this circular saw. This is the DeWalt 20V Max. I think the procedure applies to almost everything. Before we go further, let me just clarify which model we're looking at. It is the DeWalt DCS 391 or the DCS 393 circular saw, the cordless one with the 6.5-inch blade. So what I'm going to do is take out the blade and then put it back on. One of the most important things you want to do is, of course, please do take the time to either visit the website to take a look at the instruction manual and all the safety precautions. The biggest thing is to make sure that you are disconnected. You have taken the battery. Please put it away if it is a corded one. Of course, you want to make sure it is unplugged. If you're looking at this manual, go to page 9. It will talk about the blade changing procedures, talk about things in a bit more detail. Please go through that, read through it. If anything is not making sense, of course, this video will help you out. So basically what we're going to do is use a 5mm Allen key to disassemble and then put the blade back on. We'll give it a test run. So let's just go through the procedure. I'm not going to walk you through as to how to operate it. You should be familiar with this tool. At the end of the day, you're changing the blade, of course, or you're installing a new one. I assume you are familiar with that. Very quickly, a couple of things you will need to learn is that here's the mechanism to hold the blade tight so that you can loosen and tighten the knob right here. This is a brand new tool, so it does come with its own Allen key, but of course you can use anything. So if you have that, the way you start the procedure is if you take a look at this right here, it is actually the opposite of the traditional method, of course. So what we're going to do in order to loosen it, with the newer one, you can see that the plate itself has information on how to loosen it. I hope you can see it, so let me go ahead and zoom in and see if we can get this in light. So I hope you can see, in order for you to loosen it, you have to go this way, counterclockwise. And in order to tighten it, you have to go clockwise. So with that said, let's just go back. So the first thing you want to do is, again, make sure it is disconnected, and go ahead and hold. Again, the way I'll do it is just hold it right here, push it in. It should not be too tight at the end of the day, but let's see how tight this was. So remember, I'm going to go this way. So once you do that, put your key on the side and see if it's on a counterclockwise basis. So once this comes out, this knob right here, then you will take out the plate right here. And so again, with the new ones, you can see it tells you how to tighten or loosen it. The way I like to go about it is move this thing all the way down, hold it like this on a flat surface, use the machine to help you, just simply lift it and take it out. This, again, procedure can be used if you're changing the blade. One of the things you want to keep in mind is that this is a general purpose blade. If you're cutting wood, you want to go with the 24 teeth. If you're going even finer, you want to go with the 96 teeth. But this is general purpose one. So let's say you're replacing it or you're putting a brand new one. So here you go, here's your blade. One of the things to keep in mind is that if you just use the blade and you're changing it, it's going to be hot, so you just want to be careful with that. So in order to put it back, bring it back, put the blade. Now one thing you have to keep in mind is with this one, it's a bit confusing, well, it's a bit clear, but you can see how the blades are supposed to go, right? So it's supposed to go this way, so there are no marks right here, so you want to make sure that you're installing it facing up right here. Once the blade is back on, then you can go ahead and release this. First, we're going to put this washel of sort, put it like this. Sorry, my camera is not properly angled. And remember, to tighten it, you have to go the opposite. And go back here, put it on a flat surface, push this thing all the way. There's the lock. Push it all the way. This will have a bit of a move, but now you can see, you can tighten it, and there you go. So put the thing back, give it a test run, and should be good to go. Make sure you have safety glasses on. I would recommend wearing gloves. So there you go. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. If you want me to do a review on any other videos or any other tools, I'll be happy to do that. Thank you.